To use your Refine brush, head over to your left toolbar and select Refine. You can also grab it by hitting N on your keyboard. As you can see here, I tried to remove the sky from the background of this building, but I got a little too close and removed too much of this building from the top and this side here. Well, this is where the Refine brush comes in. It's going to detect tonalities and differences in color to clean up areas around the edge of your mask. To use the Refine brush, head up to your top toolbar and select your mode. You have Paint Out, which will paint out areas from the edge of your mask. You can Paint In to clean up areas that you want added in to your mask. And then we have Auto, which will do both at the same time. I'm going to choose Paint In because I want to paint this area back into my building. So now I'm just going to brush this on. And you'll see it cleaned up that mask really easily.